right, moving on, let's talk about President Trump and this controversial immigration story that has been making headlines about a resident, a green card holder here in the United States that was sent to El Salvador, allegedly by mistake, although Carolyn Leavitt, White House press secretary, says otherwise. I want to talk about this, quote, mistakenly deporting a man living in the U.S. to a prison in El Salvador. You've, of course, all seen the stories. This is what's happening, and this is the latest. A U.S. district judge has issued a scathing opinion against the administration after the immigration official admitted to having mistakenly deported Kilmer Abrego-Garcia. Garcia was among the 238 Venezuelans and 23 Salvadorians the Trump administration deported to El Salvador's mega prison, the Center for the Confinement of Terrorists. Judge Paula Zinnes said that Garcia was seized without any lawful authority and held without legal basis in a direct contravention of U.S. law. The district judge further called his situation as being a grievous error that shook the conscience and reaffirmed her earlier ruling that demands Garcia be returned to the U.S. by Monday night. The Justice Department has asked an appeals court to dismiss Judge Zinnes' order, but Garcia's deportation is just one of a series of mistakes made by the Trump administration. A day ago, several Ukrainian refugees who fled their country after Russia commenced its full-scale invasion were informed in an email that their legal status in the U.S. was revoked. However, soon after, the Department of Homeland Security issued an apology claiming the mail was sent by mistake. This, even as another issue with the Defense Department, it is now called Signal Gate, remains to be resolved. In the latest, reports cite an internal White House investigation which found that a series of mistakes led to the Atlantic Jeffrey Goldberg being added to the group chat discussing Yemen war plans. It further found that National Security Advisor Mike Waltz had mistakenly saved Goldberg's number several months earlier under the contact of someone else he intended to add. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.